Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how you can search for filters on TikTok. I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So then let's get started. First thing, you need to log in into your TikTok account. After you're logged into your account, next interface on the home page, you need to click on the plus icon or the creators icon, which is right at the bottom. As you click on the icon, next interface, you need to select the picture or you need to take a picture in order to apply the filter. After you're done selecting the image or the video, next thing, on the right hand side corner, you'll be able to see a list of tools. And right in between, you have the option as filter, which you need to click on it. And as soon as you click on it, next page, you'll be able to see a list of filters available on TikTok. And here you'll be able to find a list of option or the adjustment option that you like. And after that, all you need to do is, in order to apply for it, just tap on the filter and wait for at least 5 seconds. And after that, you've successfully applied filter on your picture or the video. And after that, you'll also be able to find a search tool right at the bottom. If you're unable to find a filter that you're looking for, then you can type in the name of the filter and you'll be able to have the access of the filter. So that is how you can search for the filter on TikTok. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.